Biomimicry in architecture. Nature as the ultimate designer. Biomimicry in architecture is a revolutionary design approach that draws inspiration from nature's most ingenious systems, forms, and processes. Rather than working against the environment, biomimetic buildings learn from nature's time-tested solutions to create structures that are efficient, sustainable, and resilient. Below are some of the most notable examples of architectural masterpieces inspired by nature. Hotel of the Wind, Patagonia, Chile. The Hotel of the Wind is designed to seamlessly blend into its rugged natural surroundings. Anchored to the ground with stone slopes and fully covered in washed lenga wood, the structure mimics the stability and resilience of natural landforms. Its design minimizes environmental disruption, while offering protection against Patagonia's harsh winds. Taipei 101, Taipei, Taiwan. Taipei 101 is inspired by the form and function of a bamboo stalk, a symbol of strength, flexibility, and growth. Its segmented structure enhances stability, while the green glass curtain walls reflect bamboo's natural appearance. This biomimetic design allows the skyscraper to withstand earthquakes and strong winds efficiently. Esplanade Theatre, Singapore. Often referred to as the durian, the Esplanade Theatre features a facade inspired by the spiky skin of the tropical durian fruit. The external sunshades are carefully designed to respond to the sun's angle, reducing heat gain while allowing natural daylight to penetrate the interior spaces. National Aquatics Center. The Water Cube, Beijing, China. Completed for the 2008 Beijing Olympics, the Water Cube draws inspiration from the natural geometry of soap bubbles. Its ETFE cladding allows light to pass through while providing excellent thermal insulation, enabling passive heating and lighting of the interior pools. This design significantly reduces energy consumption. The Eden Project, Cornwall, United Kingdom. The Eden Project consists of massive dome structures inspired by the formation of soap bubbles. This geometric efficiency allows maximum strength using minimal materials. The lightweight structure creates controlled climates that house diverse ecosystems, demonstrating how biomimicry can support both architecture and biodiversity. Eastgate Center, Harare, Zimbabwe. The Eastgate Center mimics the self-cooling systems found in termite mounds. By utilizing natural ventilation and carefully designed airflows, the building maintains a stable internal temperature with minimal reliance on mechanical air conditioning, resulting in significant energy savings. The Gherkin, London, United Kingdom. The Gherkin's aerodynamic shape is inspired by marine organisms such as sea sponges. Its form reduces wind deflection, enhances structural stability, and improves natural ventilation. This design not only improves energy efficiency, but also contributes to the building's iconic appearance. These architectural examples highlight how biomimicry bridges the gap between nature and modern design. By studying and applying nature's principles, architects can create buildings that are not only visually striking, but also environmentally responsible. Biomimicry demonstrates that sustainable innovation lies not in overpowering nature, but in learning from it and working in harmony with the environment.